Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you always catch my latest guides, tricks, and mobile gaming hack. Today, I'll be showing you how to get unlimited coins and potions in Royal Kingdom straight from your phone. No PC, no rooting, and no jailbreaking required. I tried this out myself and it worked quickly and without any issues. Let's get into the steps. First, open up Royal Kingdom and head to your Profile Settings menu. There you'll find your unique player ID linked to your account. Take a quick screenshot or write it down so you don't lose it. All set? Great, let's move on. Next, open your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever you prefer, and go to the website I've highlighted in this video. Search for Royal Kingdom and choose the Unlimited Coins and Potions Hack Generator option. That'll bring you straight to the tool's main page. Once you're on the generator page, select your platform, iOS or Android, and paste in the player ID you saved earlier. Double-check everything, then tap Proceed. The tool will connect to your account within seconds. Now pick the amount of resources you'd like to add. From there, the system takes over, syncing, encrypting, and running checks in the background. Before your resources can land in your account, you'll need to complete a quick human verification. Usually this means downloading a free app and running it for a minute or two. If you're unsure, the site normally has step-by-step instructions right on the page. Once you've done that, you're good to go. Now, reopen Royal Kingdom and check your coins and potions balance. If you followed the steps correctly, the resources should be waiting for you instantly. I tested this same method earlier and it worked like a charm, no grinding and no spending money. And that's the complete walkthrough for getting unlimited coins and potions in Royal Kingdom with Hack. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe with the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Stuck somewhere along the way? Drop a comment below. I check them often and will help out where I can. Thanks for tuning in, enjoy your boosted account, and I'll see you in the next video.